Welcome back to Auto Buzz TV, the channel where we explore the world's most powerful machines, cutting-edge military technology, and incredible vehicles from across the globe. If you love fighter jets, advanced aircraft, and next-generation aviation, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an exciting video. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most mysterious and controversial fighter aircraft ever revealed by Iran, the IAIO Qaher-313. When it was first unveiled, this aircraft instantly captured the attention of aviation experts, military analysts, and defense enthusiasts all around the world. The Qaher-313 was officially introduced in 2013 by the Iran Aviation Industries Organization, which is responsible for developing and producing many of Iran's domestic aircraft projects. The aircraft's name, Qaher, translates roughly to conqueror, suggesting strength, dominance, and technological advancement. When the Qaher-313 was first revealed, images of the aircraft showed a compact fighter jet with a futuristic stealth design. The jet featured angular lines, sharply swept wings, and a body shape intended to reduce radar detection. The aircraft's small size and stealth-inspired appearance immediately sparked global debate about whether Iran had successfully developed a new stealth fighter. One of the most striking features of the Qaher-313 is its unique airframe design. The jet uses forward-swept wings and small vertical stabilizers, which are intended to improve maneuverability and agility during combat. This type of design is rare in modern fighters because it requires advanced materials and flight control systems to remain stable at high speeds. The cockpit of the Qaher-313 also attracted a lot of attention. During the unveiling, images showed a modern glass cockpit with digital displays, suggesting that the aircraft could include modern avionics systems for navigation, targeting, and electronic warfare. Advanced avionics are essential for modern fighter jets because they allow pilots to detect enemies earlier, track multiple targets, and launch precision weapons. Another important aspect of the Qaher-313 is its potential stealth capability. Stealth technology allows fighter jets to reduce their radar signature, making them harder for enemy radar systems to detect and track. Countries like the United States have developed stealth aircraft such as the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, which rely heavily on stealth design and radar-absorbing materials. Iran has long expressed interest in developing its own stealth technology, and the Qaher-313 appears to be part of that effort. The aircraft's angular fuselage, internal weapon bays, and low-profile air intakes are all design elements commonly associated with stealth aircraft. However, the Qaher-313 also sparked skepticism among many aviation experts. Some analysts questioned whether the aircraft shown during the unveiling was a fully functional prototype or simply a demonstration model. Critics pointed out that the aircraft appeared smaller than typical fighter jets and raised concerns about its engine size and operational capability. Despite the controversy, Iran continued to develop the project. In 2017, new footage emerged showing the Qaher-313 taxiing on a runway, suggesting that the aircraft had progressed beyond the initial concept stage. This demonstration indicated that Iran was continuing to experiment with the aircraft's design and testing its systems. The development of indigenous aircraft like the Qaher-313 is part of Iran's broader strategy to become more self-reliant in defense technology. Due to international sanctions and restrictions on military imports, Iran has invested heavily in domestic aerospace development. Through organizations like the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force. Over the years, Iran has introduced several locally developed aircraft, including training jets and upgraded fighters. While some of these aircraft are based on older foreign designs, they represent important steps toward building an independent aerospace industry. If the Qaher-313 eventually becomes operational, it could serve multiple roles, including air defense, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions. Its compact size might allow it to operate from smaller airfields, giving Iran additional flexibility in protecting its airspace. Another interesting aspect of the Qaher-313 project is the message it sends. Military technology is not only about battlefield capability but also about national prestige and technological confidence. By unveiling a stealth-style fighter jet, Iran demonstrated its ambition to join the group of countries developing advanced combat aircraft. Whether the Qaher-313 becomes a fully operational fighter or remains a technology demonstrator, it has already achieved one important goal: capturing global attention. Few aircraft unveilings have generated as much debate, curiosity, and speculation within the aviation community. For aviation enthusiasts, the Qaher-313 remains one of the most intriguing aircraft projects of the modern era. Its unusual design, mysterious development path, and bold claims make it a fascinating topic for anyone interested in military aviation and aerospace engineering. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed learning about the mysterious IAIO Qaher-313, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends who love fighter jets and military technology. Make sure you subscribe to AutoBuzz TV for more incredible videos about advanced aircraft, powerful military machines, and cutting-edge technology from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.